This is my first update on my 1979 Trans Am project car. I had a busy week last week. I spent the whole week stripping the car down to basically a bare shell, just so I can check everything and check everything out. Today I'll be doing a compression check on the engine. After that, the engine transmission will be pulled out. The engine will be going to an engine shop to be checked, and the transmission will be going to a transmission shop to be checked. And the body will be going to a body shop to have some questionable body work checked out. I will be posting more videos in the near future. I'll be posting a video of pulling the engine and transmission, and then any other updates that I have to do to the car.